So today I'm at Ijams Nature Center. It's my first hike / nature center in Tennessee, and they have a lot here, so I'm looking forward to seeing other ones. We're on our way now to the boardwalk trail. We're taking Tower Trail to get there. It's about half a mile to get there, and it's really green, very green. There's nobody out here, so it's super quiet, very serene, super relaxing. Just me and Ali, and it's a beautiful day. There's no one else on this trail with me, just me and my girl. Super quiet, very relaxing. Going down these really beautiful stone steps towards the boardwalk trail. It's gorgeous here. Just came from the stairs and now we're headed this way. So we're on the boardwalk now, and it is stunning. Absolutely stunning. A little cave here on the other side of the walkway. Small tide of water in there. And it's the end of the boardwalk. This one's definitely tuckered out. Did a little over 1.5 miles. Alright, so we're finished with the hike, and we only did one hike today, which was only about 1.5 miles long. Definitely want to come back here to try some of the other hikes, but Ali was a little tuckered out and I don't think she could have handled much more. But it's a beautiful day, super humid, so it's time to go home and get refreshed. Check out Ijams Nature Center if you're in Knoxville, Tennessee. It was really beautiful, this hike. The lake was really serene. Definitely will maybe come back with like a good book. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the little bell icon so that you can get notifications for when I upload videos. I'm trying to be as consistent as possible and uploading every Sunday. Thanks again.